In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an AnyDesk number, which is really just connecting to another device using their AnyDesk Remote ID. This is a quick and easy process, and once you know where to look, you can start a remote session in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, before you do anything on your computer, you need to get the remote ID from the person you want to connect to. Ask them to open AnyDesk on their device and look at the main screen. Right under the label that says your address, they will see a 9 or 10-digit number. That number is their AnyDesk ID, and that is the number you will use to connect. Once you have that number, open your own AnyDesk app on your computer. When the app loads, look near the top of the window for the field labeled Remote Desk or Remote Address. This is where you enter the ID. Click inside that box and type or paste the AnyDesk number exactly as given to you. Double check it to make sure there are no missing digits or extra spaces, because even one wrong number will stop the connection from working. After entering the ID, press enter on your keyboard or click the connect button, depending on your version of AnyDesk. The app will now try to reach the remote device. This usually only takes a moment, so wait while the connection request is sent. Now the remote user will see a pop-up window on their side asking them to accept the connection. They must click accept before you can access their screen. If they do not accept, the connection will not go through. This is an important security step because it gives the other person full control over whether or not to allow access. Once they accept, your session will begin and you'll be connected to their device through AnyDesk. From there, you can help troubleshoot, view their screen, or work remotely depending on the permissions they allow. And that's how to add an AnyDesk number and start a remote connection. It's simple once you know the steps. Get the ID, enter it into AnyDesk, press enter, and wait for the other person to accept. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.